The sum of three consecutive multiples of 6 is 288. Find the multiples. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 6 is 2888. Find the multiples. So the solution will be let the three consecutive multiples of 6 equal to 6x, 6x plus 6, 6x plus 12. These are the multiples, consecutive multiples of 6. 6x, 6x plus 6 and 6x plus 12. So according to the relation by the question, six x plus 6x plus 6 plus 6x plus 12, it is equal to 288. Now we will add all these three. These are the consecutive multiples of 6. We will add up them and it will be equal to 288. So this 6 plus 6 is 6, 18x plus 6 plus 12 is 18, which is equal to 288. That means 18x will be equal to 288 minus 18, that is 270. 18x equal to 270, which gives x equal to 270 over 18, which is equal to 15. The value of x is 15. So first number will be first number is 6 into 15. It is the first multiple. It is 90. Second number is 6 into 15 plus 6. That means 90 plus 6, which is 96. It is the second number. third number is 6 into 15 plus 12, which is 102. This is the third number. It is the answer.